A cordial greeting. Today is Friday, August 18, 2023. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. In this video, we will be discussing an atmospheric disturbance located currently near Cuba and the Bahamas. This disturbance has a moderate probability of becoming a tropical cyclone as it moves over the waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Projections indicate that it will follow a path over parts of southern Texas and regions of northeastern Mexico. In this video, we will talk about the forecast and the expected effects for the southern Texas region. But before we proceed, I wanted to mention that we are still monitoring 3 areas of interest for cyclonic development. The first one is Invest 98, which has a high likelihood of becoming a tropical depression over the next few days as it moves northwestward. Invest 98 poses no threat to land areas. On the other hand, and of greater interest for the Caribbean region, we are closely monitoring Invest 99 and another area of low pressure located just east of the Lesser Antilles. Invest 99 is projected to move northwestward, and although it will pass relatively close to the Caribbean, it is not expected to have significant effects in this area. However, we are keeping a close watch on the low pressure system located near longitude 55 degrees west, as it continues to show signs of development. The National Hurricane Center assigns a 30% probability of development as it moves over the eastern Caribbean region. This disturbance will interact with Invest 99, and the combination of both systems, along with the influence of a trough located northeast of the Caribbean, is likely to result in conditions conducive to heavy rainfall. A significant flooding event could affect areas between the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and the Dominican Republic. For more details on this forecast, I invite you to follow my YouTube channel, as I will provide a new update later tonight. Now, let's turn our attention to the Gulf of Mexico region. Here, you can see this disturbance generating some showers and thunderstorms over the Bahamas region. Currently, it appears disorganized, but conditions are marginally favorable for it to develop into a tropical depression before reaching southern Texas. In fact, along its path, you can observe that sea surface temperatures are quite warm, ranging between 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. This warmth will aid in its organization as it moves over this area during the upcoming weekend. Due to these factors, the National Hurricane Center has increased the probability of development to 40% over the next 7 days. It's important for residents of southern Texas and northeastern Mexico, especially from Corpus Christi to Matamoros, to remain vigilant in the coming days, as a somewhat significant rainfall event is expected. To show you the projections from meteorological models, here we have the projection from the GFS model. It shows a weak tropical storm possibly making landfall late on Tuesday night in the southern Texas area, very close to the Mexican border near Matamoros. Additionally, the European model has a very similar forecast, with a tropical depression or tropical storm reaching the area during the early hours of Tuesday morning. The German model also aligns with this forecast, indicating a tropical storm arriving in the same area late on Tuesday night. Likewise, the ensemble of members of the European model mostly depicts a low-pressure system, possibly a tropical depression or weak tropical storm, as it moves over land in southern Texas. Among the ensemble members of the GFS model, only a few show tropical cyclone development, but there is a strong consensus that it will gain some organization as it approaches Texas. This system will also bring significant rainfall to southern Texas and northern Tamaulipas. According to the latest model projections, we anticipate widespread rainfall amounts between 2 to 3 inches from Corpus Christi southward to Matamoros. This region is expected to receive substantial rainfall, and some local flooding could occur during Tuesday and Wednesday. In terms of winds, some models forecast windy conditions, especially along the coast near Corpus Christi, with wind gusts ranging from 40 to 45 miles per hour during Tuesday. However, wind doesn't appear to be a major concern at the moment. Nevertheless, it's important to remain vigilant in case it strengthens more than expected. As of now, there's no reason to worry in southern Texas. With that, I bid you farewell. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay informed about the forecast for this disturbance. Over the next few days, I will continue recording videos to keep you informed. I wish you all an excellent weekend.